welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Kamrabat and Malla settles down after flood and rain havoc. Now blame game of politicos begins. BJP blames Mayor, Mayor blames CM, people suffer. John Fernandez challenges his opponents to dislodge him, says Congress might not give tickets to sitting MLAs, assures to continue with cleanup. By now, occupants facing demolition march on Mamladar office. Mamladar asked for document 205 structures to face demolition by 5th September. Lack of coordination among councillors and committee fails clean Margaon drive. Garbage dumped along roadside even after door-to-door collection. And Goa Football Development Council reveals plans to boost number and quality of referees in Goa. AFC assessor Michael Andrew feels youngsters should take up refereeing. Now the news in detail. After rain havoc in Malla and Talegaon, concerned authorities are busy blaming each other for the fiasco in managing the disaster. BJP leader Datta Prasad Naik has blamed CCP for not cleaning the connecting Nalla to Kamrabat. Panji Mayor is blaming the state government for encroachments on the bank of Mandovi River. BJP is blaming the CCP for failing to do pre-monsoon's work properly. Meanwhile, life is coming back to normalcy as people are returning to their homes at Malla and Kamrabat on the 4th day of Savat.
After 3 days of the horrifying scene of flooding at Malla and Kamrabat in Talegaon, residents have started returning to their home on Monday. Things have started settling down slowly and gradually as rain gave a breather since Sunday. Heavy rains had created a drought by flooding Kamrabat and many other places in Panji. People were forced to flee, leaving their Savat halfway and take a shelter in nearby primary school premises. Now the political leaders are engaged in blame game over relief and cause of this calamity.
ताळगांव आमी पळयल्लें फाटलीं कितलींशींच वर्सां बरीं हांगा शेतां आशिल्लीं. ह्या शेतांनी सदांच पावसाचें उदक साचतालें, पावस कितकोय पडूं. आज ह्या हांगा शेतांनी कॉम्प्लेक्सां आयिल्लीं आसा. रियल इस्टेट हांगा जी आयिल्ली आसा ताणें जो आमचो मेन क्रीक आसा तो सुद्दां क्रीक ह्या रियल इस्टेटवाल्यांनी थंय कॉम्प्रोमायज केल्लो आसा. आनी डेफिनेटली हें उदक जें शेतान उरतालें तें आज लोकांच्या घरान येवपाक लागलां. दुसरें CCP जें आसा हेज फेल्ड टू क्लीन द ड्रेन्स. डिसिल्टिंग ऑफ ड्रेन सारकें जाल्लें ना. ऑपोजिशन वॉर्डांनी तांकां लेबर तांच्यांनी प्रोवायड करूं ना आनी क्लिनींग थंय जाल्लें ना. मेयर हेज टू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर दीस थिंग्स आनी एक्चुली ही शूड रिजायन. कित्याक आज लोकांक खूब त्रास जाल्ले आसा. 1000 लोकांचो हांगा प्रश्न आसा. 1000 लोकांच्या घरांनी उदक आयिल्लें आसा. ही शूड रिजायन आनी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन हांव मागतां की ताजेर CCPचेर एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर घालचो आनी बरे रितीन CCP चलयची म्हणून. कित्याक CCPचें आमी सगळ्यांनीच पळयलां काम सारकें ना.
Panji Mayor Surendra Furtado has blamed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who is also the MLA of Panji. Mayor claimed that jetty by government has blocked the way of the river. He also lashed out at the encroachments on the bank of Santinez Nala. Prudent visited the affected areas to assess the situation aftermath floods. Locals said this Santa Cruz MLA Babush Montserrat was prompt in helping people by providing food packets, while some claim that Congress and BJP leaders provided them food on priority.
आम्ही घरान सारखी 10:30 शिफ्ट जालें आयतारा. हय आता सगळें ओके आहा. आतां रांदपाक आज सकाळी इतले ते आमकां फाटल्या नो इतले आमकां हाडून दिताले प्रायमरी स्कुलान. हय गव्हर्मेंट हाडून दिताले आमकां. आनी आमचो MLA बाबूशी हाडून दिताले आमकां आनी आमी BJP सरकार दोनूय सरकार हाडून दिताले आमकां. हय दोन टायम दिताले तेंच्यान दिताले बाबूशी आमचो MLA आनी BJP सरकार हाडून दितात 2 टायम जेवण सगळ्यांक.
मामलेदार बी आले हांगा सर्वे करपाक.
येयलेले ते सगळे जाण येवन गेले. इवन CM पासून येवन गेला. CM पासून येवन गेला.
मेयर बी CCP मेयर.
हय ते येवन गेले.
सगळे येवन गेले.
हय.
Mamladar of Tiswadi says Once people settle down, they will conduct a survey of the households to estimate the loss of the properties. State administration will assist those on priority who have faced a major loss. Bureau Report, Prudent.
John Fernandez has challenged his opponents to dislodge him and has cleared that he will continue with his Clean Congress mission. He has also warned that sitting MLAs of the Congress may not get ticket during next assembly election. He also revealed that Bhanchandra Naik has submitted a concrete evidence in Rani bribery case to police.
There is no senior and junior in Congress. Everybody is 5 rupee member. There is no senior and junior. If you want to know what is senior and junior, then the most senior in the Congress is me.
तुमको दिसना की ताणी जेन्ना काँग्रेस हाऊसान बसून लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनाचेर एलिगेशन्स केली. It was wrong.
It was very wrong. I have denied that in press release immediately the same evening that त्यांना सांगलेलं तांकां हांवें हाडलेले डॉक्युमेंट दाखोवपाक की जॉन फर्नांडीस एज अ ex-MP and party president is not involved in recommending any illegal mining.
So तुम्ही म्हणतात की जो ब्रायबरीचो चार्ज आसा ताजो कॉन्क्रीट एविडन्स आफ्टर राणेस गॉट एंटिसिपेटरी बेल हैज बीन सबमिटेड टू द पुलिस.
That is what Balchandra Naik and his lawyer has informed me. Because if you are a good lawyer, you will not throw all your trump cards on the table at the first. ते तर भायर गेल्ले ते डॉक्युमेंटाचे before the bail court, then the opponent would have got those documents in hand, and then there would have been attempts to pressurize. Henceforth, congressmen have to be careful in Goa. Sitting MLAs and MPs may not get a ticket. आता कितले काम करता ते लोक जाणा तुम्ही जाणा.
You don't mind if all these guys come together, form a lobby and dislodge you from the chair?
I give them that challenge. I will do my work. I am not scared of those challenge of dislodging. I don't care. I am not here to stay. But as long as I am in the chair, I will do my work as a congressman.
Rehabilitate us and then demolish the structures. This is the say of the occupants of structures in Baina. They marched at the Mamladar's office on Monday along with their family, including school children. Later, Mamladar heard their pleas. The occupants were asked to submit relevant documents. Mamladar informed Prudent that the documents submitted are incomplete and he will send a report to the collector.
पूण तुमी आयज भुरग्यांक घेवन येयल्या म्युनिसिपालिटी फुड्यान कित्याक म्हणून येयल्या?
भुरग्यांक इस्कॉलाक सगळ्यांक कितें करपाचें आमी खूंय वचपाचें घट पडलें आमी खूंय वचपाचें आमकां वयता जाल्यार घट चवथी आमकां इतलो जागो दिल्या जाता न्ही आनी आमची कितें मागणी ना साहेब कितें आमचे नमस्कार आसा तुमच्या कडेन.
तुमच्या कडेन सगळे डॉक्युमेंट आसा हावस टॅक्स रेशन
खबर ना म्हाका जेन्ना घोव कबाड जालो घरा उजो लागलो बघ तेन्ना आमी करूं ना घोव म्हाजें पायलट जाल्लो फोन येवंक ना म्हणजे म्हाका तें जमान जालें म्हणून आणि काय ना मतलब घर निकाल रहे हैं दरिया का कुछ नहीं है उसके लिए हम लोग अभी आया इधर भी घर के जगह नहीं घर का तो कुछ नहीं उसका
आपके पास सब डॉक्यूमेंट सब है आपके पास?
हाँ सब अभी ये सब लोग इधर ही आया ना अभी दरिया का नहीं है.
क्यों?
डॉक्यूमेंट लेके आ जाओ तुम्हारा जो भी है घर का बारे में वो डॉक्यूमेंट लेके आओ बोला था. हम लोग लेके आ गए चिल्ड्रन एक्ट पळय आसा तो लागू जावन अशे रस्त्यार हाडप हे गुन्यांवकारीची गुन्यांव आसा. भुरग्यांनी येवपाक जाय रस्त्यार ना अशें म्हणून सगळ्यात पयलीं कलेक्टरान एक गुन्यांव केल्लो आसा की
त्या लोकांची भर पावसान घरां उडयल्लीं आसा तेन्ना कलेक्टरान पयलीं चिंतूंक जाय की त्या भुरग्यांक इस्कॉलाची जेन्ना भुरगीं आसा त्या भुरग्यांक धरूनच सगळे तांच्या भुरग्यांची वेवस्था करूनच ते झोपडी सगळे मोडपाक जाय आसले ते करिनासतना एक कलेक्टरान गुन्यांव केला आतां एक कोण तरी दुसरो गुन्यांव करता की भुरग्यांक अशें रस्त्यार हाडून.
Mamlatdar of Mormugaon says the documents submitted by the occupants are incomplete. He will send report to the South Goa collector.
Hearing जाऊन आम्ही रिपोर्ट सबमिट केला कलेक्टर. लॉ अँड ऑर्डर असते लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी एकट्यान जाऊन एक धरना धरली. काय ना
Deputy Collector of Mormugaon had started serving notice to 205 illegal occupants along the Bainar seashore in last week. Earlier, 75 occupants were evicted from the beach area. Now, 205 occupants are given time period up to 5th September. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Meanwhile, Mines and Geology Department has postponed its 5th phase of e-auction of extracted iron ore. E-auction was supposed to be held on 2nd September. The fresh date has not been fixed. Government was scheduled to e-auction 2.181 million tons of extracted iron ore in 39 lots. Notification of Mining Loan Assistance Scheme has also been postponed for Tuesday. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.